Hi, I'm Jerri. I'm the editor-in-chief of eHow.com. I'm a maker and a crafter and a builder and a doer for many years. Recently, one of the things I've been doing is watching workshops from creativebug.com. I love the workshops because even after all these years, they've got so many things to teach me. They put up a Magdalena tunic on the Sewing Corner Facebook page recently, and the minute I saw it, I knew I had to do it. My box arrived today. I'm so excited to see what's inside. From the minute you see the stenciling on the box, you know there are treasures in there. Now it's time to open it. A handwritten thank you. Doesn't that just beat all? And now the good stuff. The navy blue fabric. It comes with the stencil already applied, and the tunic piece is even cut out for me. I have the tunic pieces for the inner lining, some small pieces that are going to be an applique. You can see how much handwork is involved in this project because they sent me 4 spools of thread. And then trim around the neck edges and the armholes. Oh, and then Natalie's book, Alabama Studio Sewing Design. Basically, I could make this whole project from the instructions that Natalie provides on her Creative Bug workshop. I have this beautiful fabric, the fabric for my appliques, all this thread that's going to go into the handwork of this piece. I'm more excited than ever now that I've seen the materials, but just in case, I'm going to go back and watch Natalie's Creative Bug workshop one more time before I actually commit my thread and my scissors to this beautiful fabric.